The date, 16 December 2008. The venue, Vigyan Bhavan. The occasion, Niryat Shri Awards for the best export performance in the country. A momentous occasion in the history of Elcomponics, as the topmost award for exporters in the country was conferred by Her Excellency the President of India. It all began with a vision. The human eye collects the data, transmits it to the brain, and then the brain galvanizes our body into action. It takes perfect coordination in the organs to get the perfect swing, which would be impossible without our nervous system. The most wonderful set of connector assemblies and harnesses ever built. Whenever and wherever we see machines in action, it is the wires, harness assemblies and the transformers that facilitate their action. There is one name that is synonymous with all this across the world: Elcomponics. We at Elcomponics expedite the functioning of anything using electronic components. As is evident from the nomenclature, what started out just as a vision to be globally preferred solution providers was put into action as a mission. Today, Elcomponics is a group with a multifarious hue to its business activities. The flagship of the group, Elcomponics Sales Private Limited, is a star export house and a Dun & Bradstreet 5A2 company, the oldest and the most fabled company of the group that started it all. ESPL is engaged in manufacturing and supplying all kinds of connector assemblies, wiring harnesses for a varied spectrum of customers in consumer electronics, power electronics and automobile sectors worldwide. Elcomponics Technologies India Private Limited, ETIPL, is specialized in the design, development and manufacturing of power conversion products. ETIPL makes automatic voltage regulators. The company's technical services and products are targeted for machine tools, UPS markets, OEM applications and telecom industry. A Melco Cable joint venture with Elstermo Production AG Sweden and Elcomponics India for manufacturing of wires and cables to serve the electrical, industrial and automobile sectors for their domestic and industrial applications. Backed by the latest technology of Elstermo Production AG Sweden, the plant is situated in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Its main vocation is to manufacture UL and ROSH-compliant quality wires and cables. RETPL is a joint venture between Elcomponics and Tamura Corporation of Japan, the world leaders in manufacturing of transformers, with a group turnover of $800 million. Elcomponics and Tamura Corporation are exploring scope for further expansion in India. Together, we are providing the industrial and electronic sector a synergized solution in designing and manufacturing of quality bespoke power transformers and wound components with power ratings up to 1000 kVA and to meet the highest specifications and international standards as required by the most demanding customers. The right vision always goes a long way towards the goal. The combination of the right men and the right machines and processes have made Elcomponics the preferred and trusted name across the globe. With a turnover of $45 million, today, Elcomponics has a global presence stretching across 6 continents with exports to USA, Saudi Arabia, Philippines, Bahrain, Australia and China. It is imperative to judge the requirements and innovate accordingly to be the best. Tailor-made innovations are the hallmark of Elcomponics, and then these innovative designs are put through an open deliberation for a threadbare discussion between the various heads from design and engineering, production, quality assurance and supply chain management. Equipped with the best brains to man the top-of-the-line design tools such as Turbo Tools, AutoCAD design software and PDXpert PLM for project lifecycle management. To gauge the end result of the design product, they are tested in the R&D lab itself so that the feedback is instant and the action is prompt. To be the best, one needs the best inputs, be it man or machine. The highly trained personnel at Elcomponics are provided with the cutting-edge technology. Elcomponics has state-of-the-art production facilities like the automated and semi-automated crimping machines and applicators from AMP, Makel, Molex, JYP, Nicomatic, Sembre and Fongi, etc. To achieve our goals, we have a highly motivated and skilled set of more than 1,000 personnel to man the most modern multi-blast plastic molding machines, annealer machines, bunching machines, fully automated extrusion machines and coiling machines from top-of-the-line machine makers. Our cable processing machines for harness production are from the world's best manufacturers, Komax and Kodera, Japan. The Komax cable processing machine can be customized with various accessories to meet specific customer needs. Preliminary processing of wires, variety of wire feed systems, inkjet marking, straightening unit, standard manual wire selector, measuring devices, integrated crimp height measurement, integrated pull-out force measurement, fully automatic pull-out force measurement, wire deposition, basic module 2M or 4M, extension module 2M or 4M, crimping module accessories, quick change system for tools, terminal feed with paper take-up unit, contact strip chopper, process monitoring, crimp force monitoring, seal monitoring, spark tester, splice detection, wire end detection, other accessories, automatic guide tube changer, double gripper module, material change detection, barcode scanner. To be able to compete, one's repertoire should be wide and varied. Elcomponics prides itself in producing a host of products which include wires, connector and harness assemblies, transformers, PVC insulated, automotive and jacketed wires and cable, precision voltage regulators, isolation transformers for a host of applications like metro rail, power electronics and networking products, power generation systems, refrigerated road carrier systems, automotive, TV, home appliances, traction products, etc. Attaining perfection requires careful and constant testing to judge the impact of various inputs. In order to ensure that our products not only match but better the standards set by the law of the land of usage, they are put through a very stringent set of quality control measures and tests. The product conformance is tested thoroughly by the electrical continuity test, high pot test, high voltage test, polarity test. All incoming materials are compulsorily tested for ROSH compliance and other electrical, mechanical and thermal properties. Elcomponics connectors and wiring harnesses also undergo periodic reliability tests in our laboratory like salt spray test, humidity test, aging, spark test. Each and every aspect of our products is tested by our labs equipped with cutting-edge technology before they reach our customers. To ensure that our customers across the globe have a smile on their faces, we leave no stone unturned. No wonder today Elcomponics exports to all parts of the world. Our favored list of customers include Schneider Electric, APC, LG Electronics, Samsung, Zamel Air Conditioning, Bloom Energy, Sanmina, MSN Network, William Controls, Bombardier and Ingersoll Rand. It is imperative to the survival of the human race to protect the environment that we thrive in. At Elcomponics, we take special care to adhere to the most exacting set of norms set across the globe. We conform to UL Roche norms in their absolute word and spirit. When the best of vision, machines, training, testing and efforts are put together, it gives birth to perfection. We have always tried to be the best, and the effort still continues, inspired by the numerous awards conferred on us. Elcomponics is the proud recipient of Niryat Shri Award by the President of India, the National Award for Outstanding Entrepreneurship, and a Star Export House rating by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Based on our sterling performance in exports, our MD had the honor of being a part of the President's delegation to China.
We have come far, but we feel that the journey has just begun.